everyone, hi. Good evening once again. This is Raj Verma with you, and welcome you all to our channel Knowledge Station. Dear students, in our last class we ended up with some examples. If you do remember, I told you what is the product of 38, right, and 68. What is the answer? One more example, I told you 42, 48. What is the answer? Right? So hope you do remember those questions. And today I'm going to reveal that secret, how to find the product of these numbers. Alright? Okay. So, okay, look here. There are two types. Type 1 and type 2. Okay. The first one is, let me give you one example, 48 and 42. If these are the numbers, how will you multiply them just within fractions of time, fractions of minutes, seconds, right? Without using any table or anything, you know, it's very simple. You don't even need to use your calculator. Well, here the answer is this and this. You just check by your calculator. Yes, I'm sure you're going to get this answer. So now you might be wondering what might be the procedure behind this. Well, nothing is there to be confused. Okay, it's very simple. See here, I'll tell you. The first type, the sum of the two digits, last digits should be 10. Okay, sum of last digits is 10. Okay, last digit is 10, and front digit should be same. Okay, in that case 10 and front digits same. So if this is the case, okay, multiply these two. 8 2s are 16, right? And here same number, right? So what you will do is plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 for the 20. That's all. Yes. Let me show you one more example there, friends. Well, 52, 58. You can find now easily. You don't even need to use your calculator. Just within seconds. Okay, 8 2 is 16, right? Just add one here. 6 5 is 30. Yes. So that is the answer. Yes. Are you finding it interesting? If yes, please don't forget to mention in comment box. All right. Okay. One more example again. 36. Okay, 34. Look at these two, their sum is 10 and here same digit. So 4 6 are 24, 3 plus 1 4 3 are 12. So that's the answer. Alright? Well, now I'll show you the type 2. Type 2 is like this. Let's say 52 and 50. Let's take some different number. 62 and 42. Okay? In this case, what happens? The first digits, the sum of first digits should be 10, right? And last digit should be same. Sum of first digits equals to 10 and last digits same. Well, if this is the case, how are you going to multiply? Look here. Let me write the answer. The answer is, this is the answer. Yes. You can just check with your calculator. Yes, now. Alright? Just check. Well, let me show you one more example. 78, 38. What is the answer? So this is the answer. Now you might be wondering, how is it possible? It's very simple. Look at what you're gonna do is 2 2s are 4. We need 2-digit numbers over here. So put 0. 2 2s are 4, 0 4. And multiply these two and add this number. Like 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26. Right? Hope you understood. Again, 78 into 38. Look here. Sum of these two digits is 10. Alright. And these two are same. So 8 8s are 64. If it is one digit, you're gonna put 0 over here, which I already told you this, no worries. 8 8s are 64. And 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 8, 29. Yes. So that's the answer. Clear? Let me show you one more example. 5. Okay, fine. 52 into 52. This is also one example because sum of these numbers 10. And this in fact helps you out to find the square also. Okay, the same procedure way. 2 2s are 4. So write 4, put 0 here because we need 2-digit number. And 5 after 25. Right? 25 plus 2, 27. Yes. So that is the answer. Hope you understood this. And using these tricks you can simplify your problems. Alright? Whenever you are solving or multiplying any numbers, when it comes across solving your problem, okay, at any point of steps, solutions, you can solve them. Alright? Alright. Now, so these were the topics, these were the examples I gave you last time, and today we reveal this secret. Well, now I'm going to teach you one more trick. Okay, one more trick of multiplication. You can see over here. Hope you understood this. If any confusion, do let me know by putting your comments in comment box. Okay. Now, next type is multiplying numbers that ends with 5. Well, it's for 2 digits only. Keep it in mind, 2 digits. Alright, so you can see over here. See, for example, 35 into 75. Now, what is the answer? Right? The answer is, just check. This is the answer. Alright? I'll give you one more example. 45 into 75. Right? What is the answer? The answer is this. This. You can just try. Just take out your calculator. Just multiply now. And just pause the video and just check it. It's very simple. Okay? Now you might be wondering. Let me give you one more example. 25 into 85. So what is the answer? It's very simple. 25 21. Alright, so that is the answer. So now I'm going to teach you how exactly these values came. Okay, what is the logic, what is the technique behind this? Well, for that, just see here. Well, let me rub this. Now here again, what we're going to do is we're going to divide it into two different types. The first one is type 1 and second one is type 2. Alright, type 1. Type 1 is, like for example, when the last digit is going to be 5 itself, but the first digits, when the sum of first digit is even, keep it in mind, when sum of first digits is even and sum of first digits is odd. Well, we're going to divide them into two different parts, two different types. Okay, the first one when sum of digits is even. Let me show you one example. Let's say even means 35 into 55. Now just pay attention please. Here, these last digits are 5, no worries. But first digits, here is 3, here is 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So this the sum is even, right? In this case, I'll show you here, 45 into 35. In this case, the sum of digits is odd. So how will you solve this and how will you solve this? What are the tricks behind that? It's very simple. What you're going to do is, trick is, or you can say formula, when it is even, put here 25, always 5 5s are, when you multiply, the last is going to be 25 in case of even, and what you do is, 3 5s are 15. So here, I'll do like this, 3 into 5, 3 5s are plus, sum by 2, sum divided by 2, and put last 25 at last. So it's very simple here. 3 5s are 3 into 5 plus sum 3 plus 5 8 by 2 4 and at last 25. So that's going to 3 5s are 15 plus 9 15 plus 4 19 25. So this is the answer. Alright, so you can check like this. Well, hope you understood this. Let me give you one more example here. Space is not enough. Yeah, I'll rub this and give you one more example here. Okay, let me write a small one and writing 45 into 65. Okay, now look here, 4 plus 6, 10, that is even number. So what you do is 25 at last, as I told you, and 6 4s are 24. 24 plus their sum divided by 2. See, 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, 5. 6 4s are 24 plus 5, 29. So this is the answer, 29, 25. Alright? Still confusion? Let me give you one more example here. 45 into 85. Okay, in this case. Well, here again, the sum is even, right? What do you use? 25 at last. 8 plus 4 by 2, that is 12 by 2, 6, you know. 8 4s are 32, right? 32 plus 6, that is 38. So this is how you calculate the answer. Just, you know, within seconds. Very simple, easy try. Now, in this case, what you're going to do is, the rule is like this. 4 into 3 plus sum. Find their sum and subtract 1, divide by 2. And at last, we're going to put 75 in case of odds. The formula is this. So how does it work? Like in this case, 4 3s are 12 plus 4 plus 3, 7 minus 1, 6 by 2, 3 and 75. That is 1575. Yes, that is the answer. Hope you are understanding this. So let me show you one more example over here. 35 into, okay, you might be wondering why every time they do 25, let's say, right? And 75. The sum is odd, right? Well, so answer is 5 5s are obviously, if it is, since it is odd, you're going to keep your 75. In case of even, you're going to keep 25 as I told you. And here 7 2s are 14 plus, what is the extra number you're going to add over here is 7 plus 2, 9 minus 1, 8, and 8 by 2 is 4. So the answer is 1875. Yes, my dear students. So this is the answer. This is how you're going to calculate. Let me show you one more example over here. One more example I'm going to add here over here. Just think, and keep in mind that these techniques work only for 2-digit numbers that ends with 5 at last. Okay? So just have clear concept, no more confusions. One more, 7, why 75? 55 into 65. Okay? Well, here again the same rule applies over here, 5 at last, and here odd number. So what you're going to do is, if it's odd, 75, as I told you earlier. Yeah, 6 5s are 35. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. So 6 5s are 30 plus 5, 35. Yes. So these are the examples, techniques you're going to apply in your life. You know, whenever you need to find, so let's say for example you are somewhere in some kinds of quiz, mathematical quiz, or some kinds of competitions, then you can usually easily use these techniques to simplify the problems. Alright, I hope you understood these techniques. So that's all for today. Okay, please make sure that you keep watching the videos regularly to get the latest ideas and techniques of simplification. And in next class I'm gonna come up with one. Okay, can you tell me what is the answer for this? Just guess. Just tell me without using calculator. Yes, I'll tell you the answer. The answer is, just check, and I'll tell you the secret in next class. Alright, till then, take care and stay safe. Have a good time ahead. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Thank you.